We're really excited to announce the new release of our 2024 Plus Toyota Tacoma coilover and shock packages. We're going to have multiple weight ranges just like all of our other products. If you have a hybrid, non-hybrid, or just a heavily modified vehicle, we're going to make sure that we have a spring and tuning package meant exactly for you. At Right Shocks, we have a lot of experience with building different weight ranges of coilovers and shocks for vehicles, and that's always been based on stock vehicles and then having modified weight like bumpers, skid plates, and other things mounted on them. But now we're in a new era of vehicles. We have non-hybrid and hybrid. That already makes a huge difference in the weights of these vehicles. So we have a difference of about 400 pounds on the hybrid, so obviously that's going to require a different coil rate than if you have a non-hybrid. So it's really important that we have different weight ranges, that way we have a coilover and shock package that fits yours. We wanted to make sure that you have a soft valve internally with the piston, but then with the DPA adjusters, you have the ability to stiffen this shock with 12 clicks of low speed and 12 clicks of high speed compression. That low speed compression is going to be your body sway and boatiness of how the vehicle drives. The high speed compression is going to be how it bottoms out or tackles bumps in the road. Since this vehicle does not have external bump stops to make sure that your tires are not going to hit the fenders, we make sure that with our coilovers, we design them to be built around 35-inch tires. So if you're running 33s, 34s, or 35s, you're going to have a fitment package that works perfectly for your truck. As important as the compressed length is to make sure that we can protect your vehicle from things like 35-inch tires, 34s, or even 33s, it's very important that we design these shocks to have the correct extended length. You're not going to have any issues with damaging your CV axles or having issues with your four-wheel drive system. These are the most comfortable and the highest performing 2.5 diameter shocks on the market. They've got aluminum bodies, weight-specific tuning, and spring rates. This is the best shock meant just for your Tacoma. If you have any questions about any of these products, definitely feel free to check out our website, and we'll be available for calls as well.